The biggest of all festivals in India, Diwali, calls for a big celebration ideas, decor, get-togethers, food, firecrackers, tons of festivities and parties. If you're thinking about throwing a celebration of your own, here are 5 lit ideas for Diwali parties. Five lit ideas for Diwali party. Card games. No Diwali party is complete without playing cards and testing your luck. Poker, rummy, blackjack and teen patti are big hits during this festival. But why do people gamble during Diwali? It's considered to be lucky or even auspicious in some families, as Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, would shower her blessings at this time of the year. So, if you're looking for a traditional Diwali party, dust off your old poker set and playing cards and get ready for a long night of shuffling and hopefully some winning. Theme party. Want to have a party unique to the others? Having a theme for your Diwali party can overall enhance the fun element. People love getting ready during the festivities, and giving them a code unites everyone. It also makes it easy to decide on other aspects like decor and food. You can have themes like Bollywood, monochromatic, Indo-Western, or even just have a common color code. Food and drinks. The biggest crowd pleaser is undoubtedly food. Depending on your budget and how many people are on your guest list, a sit-down dinner might not be the most practical option. Instead, set the table with thalis of appetizers like chaklis, kebabs, samosas, pakoras, and other easy-to-grab finger foods. For a more affordable option, ask guests to bring a dish for an Indian food potluck. Party games. Not all your guests want to indulge in card games but still want to have the fun of the festive time. The answer to that is party games. Musical chairs and tambolas are top favorites of people. For another fun party game idea, try a simple yet entertaining session of 1-minute games. You can find a whole list of 1-minute games online, and you can also customize some of them according to the theme of your party or along the aspects of Diwali in general. Gifting. Let's be honest, everybody expects a gift during Diwali. You can be a good host and arrange for some gifts and party favors for your guests. But these gifts don't have to break your budget. The main idea is to give thoughtful tokens to commemorate the holiday and let your friends and family know you care. Traditional Indian desserts such as barfi, jalebi, laddu, halwa and kaju katli are customary gifts during Diwali. Dry fruits are another favorite. You can also choose from fun jewelry and pretty silk scarves to keychains and socks, accessories with pretty patterns and Diwali-inspired motifs like marigold, diya or rangoli. To add a more customized touch, you can have DIY hampers. Items like silver idols, boxes of perfumes, chocolates and snacks, scented candles and electronic gadgets are appreciated by all. Whether you're planning an elaborate affair or a small get-together, the beauty and vibrancy of Diwali will get your guests in the mood to celebrate. Be the ultimate host with these Diwali party ideas and share your experience with us.